About a month ago, I got 160 pounds of bumper plates from PRx, and in this video, I'm gonna share my thoughts and give you a full review. Hey, my name is Mike Barons, and I've been an independent professional wrestler for well over 20 years, and I've had a home gym for over 10 years. But today, I'm at my parents' home gym to talk about the bumper plates from PRx. So for the bumper plates from PRx, we got two different types. We've got their standard plates, and then their more Olympic style plates. And it's great to see both variations of these bumper plates, and I freaking love them. They look super clean. The all black is near and dear to my heart. I love the all black look for a home gym, but then the green 25-pound plates and the blue 45-pound plates, the Olympic plates, the tolerance for them is so much less that they slide on perfectly. There's no real movement on them. When you drop the bar, there's no real bounce. The standard plates, there is a little bit more bounce, but not a crazy amount. We have the smaller weight in that, so the 10 and the 15-pound weights. It doesn't bounce the bar too much. It's not a crazy amount, but the Olympic plates definitely make a big difference with the lack of bounce when you're doing Olympic movements. As far as smoothness goes with them, they don't move that much. Even the standard plates don't move that much, so you don't really notice it. You don't feel like you're lifting with cheap, high tolerance plates that are not gonna stay on the bar. You could probably get away without the clips, even though I don't recommend it.
Some details on the bumper plates. We're going to talk about the prime bumper plates first. They come in for a bundle of 160 pounds at $359. That's going to give you two 45-pound plates, two 25-pound plates, and two 10-pound plates to give you a total of 160 pounds. There are financing options available. Overview on the prime bumper plates is they're solid rubber bumper plates that have a high quality with a very low bounce on them, similar to the elite competition plates that we're going to talk about in just a second. The performance is topped off with a smooth black finish, which just looks awesome, and the embossed logo is super cool, and they're sold in pairs. Specifications on the prime bumper plates are they're black with an embossed print, solid rubber, collar opening is 50.6 millimeters plus or minus 0.2 millimeters. The diameter for all the plates is 17.75 inches, and the different widths are for the 45-pound plate, 3.18 inches, 35-pound plate is 2.59 inches, the 25-pound plate is 2 inches, the 15-pound plate is 1.37 inches, and the 10-pound plate is 0.9 inches thick. There's a warranty for 90 days on the 10-pound and 15 pounds and 2 years on the 25, 35, and 45-pound plates. Little note on this, do not drop the 10-pound or 15-pound weight plates alone on the barbell. You could damage the inserts and voids the warranty. So now let's go over some details on the elite competition bumper plates. These are obviously going to be a much higher quality, a much lower tolerance plate. The 45-pound pair comes in at $349 with financing options available. The 25-pound pair comes in at $219. What makes these competition plates elite and so special is they are the standard diameter of 17.75 inches and feature a narrow thickness to allow for more weight plate loading, so you can put more weights on the bar. Plus, the steel disc insert has a 50.4 millimeter collar opening to ensure a stable hold and made for minimal bounce. I've tested these out. The bounce is almost non-existent. The raised rubber rims increase durability to minimize the friction between the plates, and they're sold in pairs. The specifications are they are solid rubber with a steel disc insert. The collar opening is that 50.4 millimeters plus or minus 0.2 millimeters. The durameter is 90 to 92, which is for harder and less bounce on the plates. Diameter 450 millimeters. For thickness, the 55-pound plates are 63 millimeters, which is 2.5 inches. The 45-pound plates are 52 millimeters, so only 2 inches. 35-pound plates are 47 millimeters at 1.75 inches, and the 25-pound plates are 37 millimeters at 1.25 inches.
And ultimately, these plates just look freaking cool. So that's my thoughts on the bumper plates from PRx. If you want to try them yourself, I'll leave my affiliate link in the description, and stay tuned to the channel for more reviews and tips on how you can perform better, recover faster, and live healthier. I'll see you in the next video.